most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. In today's video, we're diving into the Lush Fresh and Flowers box for September, which is absolutely insane. I cannot believe that we are already in September. As I'm filming this, it's halfway through September. Insane. But without further ado, we are going to dive in. I've had this in my fridge for about a week. This month has been absolutely manic for me. I feel like this month has been my busiest month all year. I've had weddings, I've had hen dos, it's been all over the place. So I have been incredibly busy. So now I'm only just sitting down and unboxing this. So I do apologise, it's a tiny bit late. But without further ado, we are going to dive in. I am so excited to see what's inside. So let's go. So let's open it up together because I actually have no idea what's inside this month's box. Something has mushed. Oh gosh, okay, so something's a little bit mushy, and the fact it says, see, it says garden on it makes me a little bit nervous. You guys know me and garden smells, we don't mesh well. It's not my favourite, so this could be a bit of an iffy box. I'm not gonna lie, I'm incredibly nervous now, but let's dive in, let's see what we've got. So this is what the inside of the box looks like, and I'm not gonna lie, I think a bath bomb has exploded, so I should have brought up a towel, shouldn't I? Never mind. Anyway, moving on, what do we have? Let's try and do this as clean as possible because my bed sheets are white. I don't want them to be green. Anyway, moving on. So the first thing we have in the box is the vegetable spaghetti hair treatment, and on this one it says, help build strong, lustrous hair with spaghetti squash freshly picked from an English garden with protein-filled lentils to soften your hair. What is spaghetti squash? That is interesting. Okay, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, okay, it looks kind of like a standard hair treatment from Lush, I'm not gonna lie. Stop it. That smells insane. I was very skeptical. As soon as it says vegetable spaghetti on it, I was a little bit like, is it going to smell like aubergine or something? This smells almost caramelly, really sweet. That's so good. I cannot wait to use that. Wow. I washed my hair this morning, now I regret doing that, but oh, that smells insane. It's almost like yognog. It almost smells kind of like yognog. Wow, that is incredible. Okay, let's look at the ingredients. So ingredients wise, we have got soya yogurt, water, glycerin, spaghetti squash, olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, sandalwood oil, loads of oils basically, but that is that. I'm very excited about that. I'm holding it upside down, but apart from the fact it is covered in green bath bomb, I feel like I'm very excited about that. My hands are now green, which is concerning. Anyway, moving on. Flowers wise, we have these, which I think have seen better days, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think these are really salvageable, but that is my fault. I did not take them out of the box and put them in water as soon as I got them, so that is a shame, but it is my fault, so I am just gonna pop those down. Everything is green and dusty and I really don't like it. Anyway, moving on. The next item we have is this one. This is the mulberry leaf eye mask, and ingredients wise this one has got mulberry leaf infusion, fresh aloe gel and carrageenan extract and parsley. Obviously again it's covered in green powder, but I will give it a smell because I am really intrigued to see what it smells like. It just smells like gardening and green bath bomb, I'm not gonna lie. It smells okay. You guys know how I feel about the eye masks. They're not my all-time favourite item ever, but I do like the look of these because they look like kind of the right size to go under the eye as opposed to all over. So that is how I will be using them, and I think I'll definitely get a better kind of, I don't know how to describe it. When they're on my eyes, I don't leave them on for very long. I feel very conscious that I can't see, so I like the idea of putting these under my eyes, and that's probably what I'll do. But they look like little leaves and they're green and they've got little speckles inside. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, but they're covered in green bath bomb dust, which is just not ideal. I feel like with bath bombs in these, they really should wrap them in something because everything is dusty and it's just gross. But anyway, moving on. The next item in the box is this one. Again, slightly green from the bath bomb. I can't get over it, guys. It's really giving me the ick right now that there's powder all over the place. But this is the Carrie's Carrot Naked Face Mask, which is so exciting. And ingredients wise, this one has got fresh carrot, celery juice, dried carrot powder, butcher's oil, bergamot oil, paprika. I'm very excited. I can't tell if it smells good or if it's the bath bomb that smells good. Oh, it smells quite fresh actually. Not very carroty. It's almost, it does smell kind of foody though. That smells really good. Okay, yeah, that smells amazing. And I love the idea of a naked face mask, I'm not gonna lie, but I also hate the idea of a naked face mask because obviously now it's covered in bath bomb, which is not ideal. And also I feel like it just kind of gets a bit gross. Do you know what I mean? Like the pots are recyclable, let's just use the pots. But yeah, it does smell good though, so that's nice. And the next item in the box is this one, and this is the Wild Spinach Soap. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, water, glycerin, fresh nettles, cubeba oil. See, this is the word that I can't pronounce. Cubeba oil, whatever that is, olibanum oil, cream of tartar, agar gel. And I just put that right up my nose. That smells familiar. What is that? Is it Abbey Bath? Smells like Abbey Bath to me. Like a slightly creamy, porridgey Abbey Bath. It smells really good though. Really fresh, really clean. I don't know how I feel about all the little bits on it. That's the only thing with these that I don't particularly love, because if I use it in the bath, there's going to be things floating in my bath, and I don't really love that. You know what I mean? What the hell is that? God, I thought it was a slug for a second, but it's not. It's just, doesn't that look like a slug just there? That can't be a slug. Hang on. No, it's not. It's fine. It's some sort of flower. We're all right. I thought there was a slug on it, but this is what it looks like. It is really pretty, but again, I don't like the bits on it, but it does smell good. It smells like Abbey Bath, which is like a very lemongrassy, fresh but creamy smell. Really good. Yum. The next item in the box, we have some thyme, rosemary and sage, which is actually for a kind of make your own toner. So this one, you have to pop it into some boiling hot water and leave it to cool, and use that basically as a toner, which is really exciting. The only thing again is that it is covered in green bath bomb, so I'm gonna have to like lightly wash these before I use them, but that is a really nice idea. I do like the idea of that. Again, it is just a shame that the bath bomb has got everywhere, because now everything is dirty and I just don't enjoy the green dust. Look at my fingers. So gross. And last but definitely not least for this month's box is the culprit of the green mess, and that is this. This is the Seed Pod Bath Bomb, and ingredients wise it has got, let me just, can't actually read it because there's bath bomb dust all over it. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got water, orange flower absolute, cedarwood absolute, cedarwood oil, citric acid, oak moss absolute, geranium oil. It's not for me, that one. Okay, it's weird. It smells like a mix of garden and like deep heat and like bulbous oil, like a doctor. Does that make sense? Like it's very mentally but gardeny. Like a soggy bit of moss mixed with deep heat. I bet you guys love my descriptions of things. Yeah, no, I don't know, it's not my favourite, but I also just don't like the fact that like my hands are now like green. Like look at this. It's just a little bit messy. Do you know what I mean? Not my favourite. I have nowhere to wipe my hands now either, and it's just not my favourite. So that is everything for this month's Fresh and Flowers box. I would love to know your thoughts, opinions and feelings all down below in the comments. I would have to give this month's box probably like a 5 out of 10, I'm not gonna lie. The fact that everything is covered in green bath bomb dust has definitely ruined this box for me. I don't love that now I have to go and wash everything because that is just a pain in the arse. However, I like the products, I like the range of products. We got eye mask, face mask, soap, toner, hair treatment, bath bomb. I do like the range of products. I just don't particularly like the fact that everything is like dirty and grainy and gross. So that is why it gets a 5 out of 10, but I would love to know your thoughts down below. Obviously, if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe and join my corner of the internet. It would absolutely make my day, and I would love to hit 11,000 subscribers this year. Absolute goal of mine. I wanted to hit 10 and we smashed it. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. But that is everything. I'm gonna go now and wash my hands and wash my bed sheets and my jeans because I've got green dust everywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.